Hello friend, in today's video I'm gonna show you guys what I eat in a day trying to get my life together. So here I'm making some overnight oats, and I'm gonna put 1 cup of rolled oats in there, and then I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of flaxseed. Both oats and flaxseed are really good sources of protein and fiber keeps us full for the day, so that's great. Next, I'm going to be adding in some mixed nuts. I don't like peanuts, but again, they're a great source of protein, and I don't mind it when it's soaked in the oats. Next, I'm going to add some strawberries because rainforest meant we can't afford strawberry. In recent times, I like to put blueberries in there, but not in this video. But the blueberries make it nice and cute and blue. Love that for me. After that, I'm going to add my milk, and I like to use Lasco. Now, Lasco is not the better option. If not, I would use almond milk, but Lasco has 6 grams of protein, while almond milk has 1 gram of protein. Yes, Lasco have more sugar, but it also makes it taste better. So anyways, now that it's all mixed up, I am going to put on my lid and then put it in the refrigerator for the next day. So I like to start my morning off by drinking some lemon and ginger tea, and this is just an ice cube that I blended lemon, ginger, and some honey, and I put them to freeze, so in the mornings I could just pop them in my cup and throw some hot water on it. And this helps with bloating and stuff. It's really good to have first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. So I've been trying to do this for the past maybe 2 weeks now. It's not the yummiest thing, hence the face, but health is wealth, so we chug on. I know this looks yucky, but it is so yummy. It's my absolute favorite breakfast when I have this. I don't even feel like snacking before lunch because I'm so full. With this meal, we have 21 grams of protein already. So here I'm just filling up my water bottle, which is pretty big for the day, and I will drink all of this water because water is good for you. Next, if I feel for a snack, I would have this. Sometimes, full transparency, I have Cheez-Its or some salted caramel popcorn, but this is ideal. Lunchtime is the best time ever, especially on a Wednesdays, because Wednesdays are Stuppies days, and Stuppies is the best food in the entire world. Go argue with yourself. If you don't like Stuppies, who hurt you? Who did something to you? Because Stuppies is literally the best. Later that day, I went for a walk to burn some calories and get some fresh air, clear my mind. Usually I don't have dinner, but if I do, I try to keep it light. Sometimes it might be crackers and cheese and tea. In this case, it's sweet potatoes, a salad, and some chicken. And that is me for the day. So I burned some calories. I ate within my range. I like to use the Lifestyle app. It keeps me, on track to see what I have been doing based on the goal that I have for myself. So it's pretty easy to use. That's a wrap. Let me know what you guys have in the comments below. Big ass,